Hello, let's talk today about setting up a Google Meet from within Google Classroom. Google has recently integrated these two products because of all of this distance learning, and so I'm going to show you how those two pieces fit together now. So from inside your Google Classroom, click on the settings cog in the top right, and that's going to bring us to some details about our class. And in general now, there's now an option to set up a meet. So I'm going to click Generate Meet Link. Google is going to set up a room for me. There it is. There's a drop down here where I can copy that link if I want or reset it. But Google already has this little slider turned on that says make it visible to students. So I'm going to save that. And when I end up back in my classroom, you'll see here has been embedded right in the banner of the page. So you might want to, the first time you do this, write a little announcement that says, look up for the Meet link, we'll be starting at this time. When you have your Meet with students, just a reminder that you want to use the record button. So once you start the Meet and join it, there's a record in the top left. Click that to make sure you're recording the meeting. That'll be archived in your Google Drive for you. When your Meet is done, make your way back to your Google Classroom, and we're going to hide this link, because if we leave it here, students can enter the room even if we're not there and present. Now they can, I don't want this to be something you're worried about, because they can set up their own Zoom Hangout or whatever on their own accord, but it's just going to be a little cleaner if we get rid of this. So we're going to go back into settings and scroll down, and we're just going to slide this little slider to the left so the link is hidden. When we come back to do this a second time, if we want to have another meet, we can use this drop down to reset the room, but I think you should be able to use the same room without any issues. If you find out differently, let me know, I'll update the video. So once we've slid that to no longer visible to students, we're going to click Save. And here we are back in our classroom, and that link is no longer there. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.